Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we're drawing the new PlayStation 5 logo. You will need paper, a pencil, a thick marker and a ruler or set square. If you have them ready, let's jump right in. We need to draw two parallel lines at the top and bottom which are divisible by 3 plus an extra space. Make sure they are the same distance from the edge of the paper. Our length is 18 centimeters plus an extra centimeter, making it 19 in total. Join the two lines with the ruler at both sides. Once we have the rectangular shape, we're going to draw lines from each corner to the other side. Then we can draw lines through the middle, both vertically and horizontally. The result will be 4 smaller rectangles, all of which are broken up into 3 triangles. Since there are 3 digits in the logo, the P, the S and the 5, we're going to break the rectangle into 3 sections. Through the centre section, we will draw diagonal lines through the corners. Our last guideline is one intersecting the diagonals we have created. The typography of the PlayStation logo has thin lines but in a wide set font. Follow along, beginning with the P. After the P, we start the S. Use the line we have created in the centre as our guide. The line then splits off to the side at the top and bottom. The digits are all curved except at the top of the 5, where we have our only right angle. The bottom half of the 5, however, is curved like the rest. And now we have the outline, we simply fill it in with the marker. If using a thick marker, be careful not to go over the lines. We're going to trace over the lines with a thin black pen first to make this easier. And now we fill in with a thicker marker. And here's our finished video of the PS5 logo. If you have any other logos you would like to see, please leave your suggestion in the comments and subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.